Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at how to change the key fob battery on a Bentley. This one happens to be a 24 Bentley Continental. These aren't too difficult. What you're going to want to do is push this little button, which will pop this out. And then you're just going to want to take a flathead, pocket screwdriver, whatever you have, and you're going to push upwards on either side here. It's going to pop off the top cover. And then your CR2032 battery just comes right out. And then you do the reverse operation. Put it back in. Slide it forward. Till it clicks. And this works for all the Bentley keys, the valet key, and your standard keys. Thanks for watching.